It's Jane o'clock na. Hello mga ka-char. So, today is week 5 already of term 4. Our vacation will be on December 11. And honestly, today or this week is not really a busy day for us because the seniors are already on leave or on study leave, meaning they are preparing for their examinations. Yun. Kaya, so this is my schedule for next week. As you can see, I only have 2 classes on a Monday, and then 1 class on Tuesday. Then after that, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I don't have anything. And I will be on leave also because I'm going on a training at Wellington. So that is something else. And then next week, there's only 1. And then after this was my schedule before. So term 3, week 1. So as you can see, it's more classes. It's because I have my year 11s and year 12s. So the mentor class is my advisory class. So yun. That's my schedule. Our schedule, as you've seen on my video, maigsi lang siya or konti lang yung schedule ko. So, kinumpare ko din yun sa regular schedule ko talaga. So, yun lang yung teaching hours namin dito. So, sobrang light nung workload. And then, everything is already prepared, by the way, in our school. Ayan. Yun lang. So, I'll share with you again the rest of my day later. Okay? So, for example, today, Monday, I only had 2 classes. Yung P4 dyan, yan yung, mayroon akong relief classes. Pagkatapos nga pala nun, ito yung sinuot ko nung graduation. Ang tawag dito is prize giving. So, yung mga year 13s, graduate na sila. So, yan, nagmaganda tayo. Hi everyone, it's 3:30 and I'm already home. So, I only had 2 classes today. And yeah, my senior classes are all done with whatever they need to do. And they are on study leave. So, yeah. Yan lang yung update ko. Tapos na. Kasi wala na akong ginawa today. So, yun lang. Bye!